Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Rants. Welcome back to another digital plan with me. This is going to be our October monthly planner. So I will be planning with the RongRong Bookworm. You guys saw me do that in a haul. That's either in the last video or a couple of videos back. I'm not sure which order I am going to edit because I'm kind of in a recording frenzy right now, just so I could keep up to date and, you know, I guess so I can stay on task and on schedule for my videos, because I really want to be more intentional with my recording and kind of stick to schedule so I'm not taking excessive breaks. Anyway, if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free. It is fun here. I promise you that. And if you're not new here, hey gang, and welcome back. Welcome to another video. And we're going to get started. I do have to open up that sticker pack. Where is it? So, as I stated, we're going to be using the RongRong Bookworm. I love this sticker. This one is cute. This is actually the book cover that came with it. I will link it down below. And if you didn't check out that haul, go ahead and check it out. I got some really, really good stuff there for my planners. I got some digital, I got this digital kit, and I also got some regular traditional stickers. And the stuff is good. The stuff is quality. It's worth the money. It's more expensive than the Happy Planner, but I promise you it's worth it. And if you look at my October Faith Planner, you'll see a really cool sticker kit that I got. Anyway, we're planning October. We're going to use the Bookworm stickers. Oh, I forgot to put on my list. Let me go to the library. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry, I had to go on the library website, the Queens Public Library, because I did request 2 books, and I am on the line to get the requests sent to my library so I could go pick them up. I told you guys I was trying to read more, so yeah. But before we make this functional, I do want to make it pretty. So I think I want to, is that the last of it? Yeah. I do want to make like a library style I want to do like a little, let me look at my planner. Let's see what it looks like for now. I want to do something, I guess I could do it down here. I do want to make like a little bookstore. So let's grab that sticker. Make it look like it's like a little town square. Let's see how this fits. Oh yeah, that's cute. Let me see. But she doesn't match the vibe, the winter vibe. Is this the same as that? Actually, let me use the other one. Because then it'll make sense to use this girl. Just to make it look like a town square in there. And then down here, I want to do sort of like a bookstore look. Let's see. I like this. I just wish they didn't have, I guess the girls in every single, I guess book, what do you call it? Book sticker. So I'm gonna do this. Let's go for it. Alright, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna use this one. I can't cover the 29th because I want to keep it functional, so I do need to add some dates in here. Let's see, do we add her or do we add, yeah, I don't know if this sticker fits. Where is it? All right, I think it could stay. I'm not sure if this one fits, so I'm gonna delete that one. Can I do another one there? All right, I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and if I need to adjust it, I will. Just because I need the 28th and 29th. I have a appointment, and my son's birthday is there. So let's continue. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard to work with this this sticker kit. Okay, let me see. I have to do a book list. Hopefully I can what do you call it, get my hands on those books. I cannot say I'm obsessed with this sticker kit. I will not lie. It's giving me such trouble to see where everything can fit. Maybe I'll add it up right here. I just don't want it to look cluttered, you know? Oh, that's cute. Let's see. I need to make it functional. So let me see if I have some boxes I could use. Resize it. And I could put it there to make it look like it's taped to the like it's taped to the bookshelf there. And I gotta do the same thing with this one. I have my brow appointment at 10 a.m. Alright, so I added that. And now I have some dates up here. I don't love that it's covering the second. Alright, that's cool. Let's see. Can I use my mother's birthday? Whoops. No, that's too tiny. gonna leave it like that. Put it closer here. And then I also need another label. Add a little fall element. And it's Jackie's birthday. We're actually celebrating today. I was debating vlogging, but I'm not sure. We'll see. I want to make this leaf bigger. Okay. Center that, and then a smaller leaf like that. And it is my husband and I's anniversary. I think this needs to be white. Alright, so I'll leave that in white. Now up here I need some flavor. Let's see. Do I want to use this one? I want to add this one. I like this sticker. I don't have a whole lot going on. Or maybe I'll put it here. No, I need flavor here. Right there. So I'm just gonna make it pretty. Let's see, I covered these dates: anniversary, no school. I have my list up here. So let me just add to my book list. I think it's called The Housemaid. And then the other one is called The Housemaid Secret. And we can resize that. All right, very tiny. But that's how it has to stay. So those are the two books I'm waiting for, The Housemaid and The Housemaid Secrets. My library has it, but I'm on the list to borrow it, so when it's my turn, they'll let me know. This came out really cute. Let's see if I can add some more elements to this. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some things in because I have no rhyme or reason. Where anything should go. I just want to use some of these elements. They're just really nice. I don't know, it's like it's one of those books, one of those kits where it's not super pretty, but it just has the nicest stickers, and you know, there's no flavor here. I should have put, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add a post-it note here. Actually, I'm not. I thought those are see-through. I thought it was opaque. Maybe use this one. Maybe I'll do it here. So this is gonna be my, I guess, my video log. So sort of like a recording schedule. What else? Maybe some flavor up here. There's so much more you can do with this kit, but I'm not crazy about it today. I don't know why. Or maybe I'll just pick up these three. I'm not in love with it. Let me just copy this. yeah, just not in love with this kit. I feel like it's missing so much in the middle. The stack of books as what do you call it, as bullets. Right? Oh, that's cute. I love it now. Let's see. I'm not in love with the placement of this, but I guess I'll leave it. Make that smaller and add maybe a bookshelf there. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here because at this point I'm just adding to see what works and what doesn't. I wish it was a prettier, I don't want to say prettier, but just like, I wish it was like a more, I don't know, I just feel like I was piecing things in. It's fun, it's cute. But you know, I kind of wasn't in love with the sticker kit to begin with, and you know, it works. I like this little area here. It just looks like she's shopping in one of those like smaller bookstores, a small business type one, you know, one that's not like a Barnes and Noble, like a mega bookstore, just like a small little one you see in a neighborhood. And I love this. This just looks like you know, that bookstore is part of the little strip. Like, this is the outside of it and this is the inside. I love it. So I really love the stickers in this kit, but I don't feel like it's a kit that can be used stands alone. It has to be a part of something else. So I just wanted to see what I could do with it by itself, and this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I